down for taking it slow. Never held me down.
Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, November 29th, and I just woke up, had my coffee, had some water. I'm going to do a little bit of a workout. I haven't done a workout without filming it for YouTube specifically in a very long time. And with the holidays fast approaching, where I know I won't be as active, I'll be spending lots of quality family time and friend time. I want to feel my best, not just look my best, because that really doesn't matter. It's all about how you feel. So I'm going to try to stay really good about being active leading up to the holidays, because I know the feeling when I get to the holidays and I haven't been conditioning myself and the holidays hit. I know I don't want to work out. I know I don't want to stretch. I know I don't want to do conditioning for dance. So I'm going to be very consistent leading up to the holidays, just so I feel my best coming back after the holidays so I don't injure myself. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that, a little bit of a Pilates workout. Then I'm going to shower and get into today. I slept in today because I had a rehearsal until 11 o'clock and I didn't get to bed until around 12:30. Rehearsal that late was because one of my students is actually in Japan, like I mentioned in the previous vlog. So I had to stay up a little bit later than usual, but it was awesome. They did super, super great. And I'm actually going to be staying up until 2:30 a.m. tonight because their show is on a live stream. So that'll be super fun and I'll take you guys with me. Yeah, I'm gonna go do a Pilates workout very quick and then shower and then get on with the day. I only have one class until I go into the studio, and since I'm going to the studio today, I'm going to take my pointe shoes, work on some pointe work and some other things. So I'm wearing this set from Victoria's Secret Pink. I haven't worn in about a year. I just felt like I'd try to be a little bit more cute when I'm trying to work out. I also realized I haven't done a full workout in a really long time. I know I say that a lot because I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go biking. But you guys see where I work out and I bike and I do a Pilates class. That's the amount that I do. I don't do extra on the side, like that is it. So I think I've done it maybe 2 or 3 times on this vlog. So yeah, this is the first full Pilates workout I'm going to have been doing in a very long time. Yeah. I just thought I'd look as cute as possible to motivate me a little bit more. I do workouts for myself when I film them, but you guys know my filmed workouts are 5 and 10 minutes long. I don't think I have one in a long time that's longer than 15 minutes long, even 10 minutes long. Also, this sweater is from La Vie en Rose, and it's kind of similar to the Lulu one, but it's just a little less tight, a little bit more comfy fitting. I'm gonna go have some snacks before I work out. I already had breakfast, but I just need a little extra help because I had to stay on hold for like 15 or 20 minutes to talk to the doctor. And yeah, I'm gonna go have a snack before I work out. So I'm editing a Pilates video that I recorded today, and it's about 20 minutes long. I figure if I start uploading it before I go to dance, it should be done by the time I get home, and if it's not, I'll just pause the upload. Our upload speed isn't the fastest where we live, so it does take me a whole entire night to upload a 20-minute video. So I'm hoping that since Steven isn't around today, I can kind of use the internet all day to keep uploading so that I can better prepare for the holidays, since I will be visiting family and spending quality time with family over the holidays and won't have time to film as much. I'm just trying to batch create content before I do go on holiday. Secondly, I just finished a class, a corporate class that I was teaching a stretching class. And thirdly, I had a cancellation, so I'm gonna go take Stinky Dog on a WALK, but she's sitting right next to me and looking at me, so I don't want to say the word yet until I'm 100% ready to go, so she doesn't freak out and get too excited, because she's supposed to wait about 10 or 15 minutes until I can go anyways. And then I'm gonna go to the dance studio, come back, teach, and then go to sleep, and then wake up at 2:30 a.m. to watch the live stream of the performance. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm feeling a little bit sluggish and tired, probably because of the weather. So I'm gonna I was gonna make a coffee, but I was like, I'm gonna try to limit my amount of caffeine, even though I'm gonna have a tea, but tea is a little bit less than caffeine. So I'm gonna make a big matcha and then go for a WALK with my matcha since it's really cold out. Maybe that'll help my headache too, because I find the more caffeine I have, the worse my headache gets. So I'm going to make a tea instead of a coffee. I usually have 2 coffees a day. I'm gonna have 1 coffee and a tea. Once I got home from teaching at the studio, I had some butternut squash soup with some leftover salad and some naan, and then I also had a late night snack while I stayed awake to watch my student around 2:30 a.m. Now, because I was up super late and had lots of snacks, I woke up this morning not too hungry, but I had a 9 a.m. class and I slept until 8:30, so I just had a juice right before class. And then had a big bowl of oatmeal after. It was just because I was up so late and slept in, didn't have time. I usually never do that. This was just in kind of an emergency, which is nice when I have dose juice in that case, because I can always rely on getting healthy nutrients and some substance if I'm in a rush. Although the Black Friday sale is over, I still have a discount code that works for 15% off your order of dose juice. After I went for a walk in the morning, after my classes, I had some lunch and then did some admin work. And that brings me coming to the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.